In every step, I felt the pulse of the earth beneath my feet. The air was alive with the sound of rustling leaves and the waves crashing against rocky shores. I have felt the serenity of this place. I felt a sense of peace wash over me. In that moment, time stood still, and all that mattered was the beauty of the present. It's like stepping into a dream, the kind of dream you never want to wake up from. This place is more than just a destination. It is a feeling, like being cradled by the ocean's embrace. Moments like these makes me realize how small we are in the grand scheme of things. Yet in these fleeting moments, I find my truest self. This place may be known for its breathtaking landscapes. This place has this magical charm that wraps you up in its embrace. Every corner you turn, there's a new adventure waiting to unfold. This feels like paradise. This is Catanduanes.